Hello everyone! In this video, we will continue by installing the GLPI agent on Windows, which allows your computer to connect to the GLPI server, automatically collect hardware and software information, and make IT asset management much easier. First, make sure you have a GLPI server up and running. If you don't have one yet, check out the video linked in the description to learn how to set up the GLPI server. Once the server is ready, the next step is to enable the inventory feature on the GLPI server. This feature allows the server to collect hardware and software information from workstations where the GLPI agent is installed. By default, the inventory feature in GLPI is usually disabled. We need to enable it in order to use it. Once activated, the server will be ready to receive data from computers with the GLPI agent installed, making IT asset management automatic and more accurate. Next, we will visit the official GLPI GitHub to download the latest version of the GLPI agent. Next, we will download the Windows version of the GLPI agent. Make sure to select the latest version that matches the Windows operating system you are using. After downloading the file, double-click it to start the installation. At the component selection step, choose Typical. In the Remote Targets field, enter the GLPI server address you want to connect to. Depending on how your server is configured, you can enter the direct address or use an alias that you have set up previously. This ensures the GLPI agent knows exactly where to send inventory data and maintains a stable connection. Next, uncheck the Quick Installation option. This allows us to customize the installation settings in more detail. Next, select as a Windows service so that the GLPI agent can run automatically when Windows starts. Also, check the two options below to ensure the agent always connects to the GLPI server and continuously collects inventory data. Here, you can enter a tag to help identify this computer on the GLPI server, such as the machine name, location, or its role in the network. Finally, click Install to start the installation process of the GLPI agent on Windows. After the installation is complete, press Windows plus S and type GLPI to search for and open the GLPI agent application. Next, double-click the GLPI agent icon in the system tray to open the agent management interface. You will see that the GLPI agent application is running automatically and is in the process of collecting data from the computer. Please wait about 5 to 10 minutes for the agent to complete sending hardware and software information to the GLPI server. Now, go back to the GLPI server and refresh the page. You will see the client computer you just installed the GLPI agent on appearing in the device list, along with the hardware and software information that the agent has sent. We have now completed the installation of the GLPI agent on Windows. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next GLPI tutorials.